We're going to talk about an Ettore tool, but at the same time we're going to incorporate some tips and tricks for training new employees. So this here is the backflip. The backflip is able to be used in three ways. One is this way here. Yeah, you're able to wet the glass and dry the glass all at one time. You're also able to use it as a separate tool, right? So you're able to clean on the ground and be able to move along and clean all the way through on the ground. The coolest thing about this tool, and the reason why I like it so much, is that you're able to use it on a pole. So not only are you able to use it on the ground, but you can use it at height as well. So right now we've got an 8-foot pole. We're going to be working just a little high, but Ettore does make up to a 35-foot pole, which is over there. So you can reach pretty high. You can bring this tool from top to bottom without a problem. So you're able to do the top glass, take it off of the pole, and able to finish your job down on the ground without an issue. Yeah, so using the same tool, we're going to actually move over to the training side. This is something that us as business owners, we want to be able to bring in guys in the field competent enough to be able to produce money, right? Make the company money. Obviously, we talk safety and all that in the shop, but once you get on the glass, then the guy is, supposed to produce. And what we're supposed to do is provide high quality service along with the high quality products. So the easiest way to show a new employee how to clean a glass is what we call single strokes or side strokes. Right? So what you do is you wet the glass. This can also be used by homeowners or anybody else that wants to just clean their mirror or something like that. This is the easiest way to clean a window and not leave any streaks. So you wet the glass. You've got to dry the rubber, dry it, dry the side, and then do a straight pull all the way through. There's a very critical moment here at the end where you have to close, is what we call it. You do a close, and I'll show you one more time. You dry the rubber, you clean the edge, you need to make sure you overlap so that way you don't leave that streak, and then you pull. At the end, you want to make sure you close. Yeah, one more time. Clean the rubber, clean the side, make sure you overlap the water with the squeegee, and do a straight pull, and then close.